Exploring with the coal cracker. Well, I chased this train and now it's stopped north of Tamaqua. That's right now I'm on Elm Street crossing. I don't see it moving yet, but I caught it in the Tamaqua Tunnel back there. When I first saw this train, it was coming through the south end of the Mahanoy Tunnel. And here it comes. So, that's a good show of this. Back up a little bit better. I bet you they're going to get another row of cars and back it up. I'm going to take a ride down that way. Yeah, I don't know if you can, yeah, you can see that back there. That's what they unhitched. That's what I saw come out of the Tamaqua Tunnel. Excuse traffic noise here. I hear it coming back. Let's see if we can see what they're going to do. I don't know if you can see up ahead, but police have something going on. I don't know what they're doing on the tracks. The train just went down that way, and I was driving down this way just to see what I could catch of this train, see if it was bringing boxcars, because it unhitched up north of Tamaqua and came through down here. I heard the horn. I thought it was coming back up, and then I'm going down I'm on Broad Street right now, headed west. I'm sorry, headed east. Get my direction straight. And I come upon this and I'm like, huh, looks like they're just working on the tracks, but yeah, not a good time for a train to come through. Alright, I'm not gonna waste any more time on this, just to show you what's going on here. And let's see, take a ride down, see what's going on. This is where the train ended up down here, and it's picking up, looks like only two hoppers, like a caboose. I'm not sure what their plans are. As you can see, the signal, I'm not on the property here, but you can see all the signals are red. And let me just reach out a little bit. Zoom in. Yeah, you can see they're doing some work to the track up there. Now, I did hear a train go by through here yesterday. I was up at the Historic Museum, and a train went by. Every wheel I heard bang, 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 bang. I was like, something's wrong with the track up there. And I'll bet you, yeah, they got still fixing that, and the train's coming. Great. And let me just go up the street here a little bit, get you a better view of this. And I just heard something that sounded like the brakes were getting released. This kid should not be on the track there, because as you can see, got the signs here, and yeah, it looks like they're going to move this train back. As long as we stay on this walkway here, we're safe, not on the property. You get a good shot of the train here. Let's just listen in, maybe we can hear what they're saying on the radios. Yeah, I don't know if you want to check this out, but this is the Wabash Creek. It goes right underneath the town. I can't really get under there, but there's like this little bridgeway right by the road here, right in front of the library. And I can get a little peek down here. And it's, yeah, it's flowing pretty good. And that goes right under the railroad tracks over to those yellow rails. Now, I'm gonna get down this way here and just see what kind of view we can get of this train. Alright, I thought he was coming back already. They just went up that way. Got all red signals now. And I don't know, just to show you, I'm off property as long as I'm on this side of that cement barrier. I don't know if they're gonna retrieve those cars down there. Let's see, they'll probably have to go in front of them. I don't know. Switching trains, that's got to be one heck of a job. You got to know precisely what you're doing and have no distractions. Sure. Never actually operated a train, but you can see the responsibilities they have. And then when you get people on the tracks getting in their way, making a mess, and then they have to stop for an accident or something. Oh, that's not good. Alright, I'm gonna wait a little bit and see if this comes back down. I don't know how good of a picture I'm giving you here, but as you can see, the train just went by a second time, and they're still doing patchwork on that rail. So, yeah, quite a bit of action going on today. And alright, just wait to see when this train comes. Yeah, they're still working on the tracks up there yet. I heard him say give them 5 minutes on the radio. See what happens. Okay, YouTubers, I hope that'll just wrap it up for this little bit of a train chase I did. Yeah, I caught it up in by the Mahanoy Tunnel. I saw it coming out when I was going over it on 54 mud car. And when I got into town here, it was stopped on the tracks. I thought, oh, I could still get some footage of it. Great. I did get a little bit of it coming out of the tunnel. I wanted to see it coming right out of the tunnel, but I was just a little too late getting there, but I got it and got some footage of it here, which is pretty cool. Trying something new with a little bit of train chasing, I guess you call it, rail fanning. But mind you, gotta stay off the property, or else, you know, they'll come after you. You know, I've had it happen to me, but I stayed off the property. I was on this, you know, the pedestrian side of the berm, I guess you could say it. So I better get home. I hope you enjoyed this footage. Yeah, like I said, I better get home, or I'm going to get footage of my own up my butt in a minute, because my wife doesn't know I'm doing this and I'm supposed to be home for supper. So, alright, without ado, like, share, subscribe, and see you at the next adventure.